Hi, welcome to Codeshoppy. Today we're going to see the demo for Pro College Management System using Laravel Vue.js project. Let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel, admin button, click MySQL admin button. It promote to open web browser. Now database is open in left side. Further it see this project. Let's move the app explanation. Open Pro College Management System app. First click the admin login. Let's move the admin login. Let's start the admin login. Enter email ID and password. Admin will manage attendance, academics, user, exam, report. First click manage academic. First create the session. Enter the year like 2025 or anything. Notice test and save it. The session is created successfully. Next, click department. Create the new department. Click create. Enter the new department details like department name, department images, or anything else and save it. Next, create the class. Click create. Enter the class details like class name, class numeric, sections and save it. The class is created successfully. Next, create the section. Click create. Enter the section details like section name, A or B, anything. Capacity. The one sections are water capacities, 20 members or 30 members. Enter the capacity level. Only the numeric text, okay. Enter into the numeric text, 20 or 30. The sections are created successfully. Next, click the class routine. Select the class, select the sections and get routine. There is no routine for that. So create the routine. If you want create the routines or teachers will create the routine. Already I will created the routine. For example, English, Geeta ma'am, time wise or anything. Next, create the classroom. Enter the classroom details, room number, room image, capacity, 20 members or 30 members and save it. New classroom are created successfully. Next, subject. Create the new subject. Subject details like select class, um, subject name, subject type, theory or practical, anything. If you are created and click the save, successfully subject are created. Next, admin will manage the teacher details. Click the create a new teacher, create the new teacher list. Create the new teacher details like name, password, department, phone number, joining date, anything. First enter the name, teacher name. For example, enter the money or anything. Import the joining letter and resume. If you want to joining letter, click browse and open it. The file is inserted. Enter all the details and click save. Save successfully. The new teacher successfully created. The teacher successfully created. Next, you will create the parent. Next, you will create the new parent details. Click create. Enter the parent details like name, email, password, phone number. Enter all the details. Click save. The parent details successfully created. To view the parent tree. If you want to view full details, click view. If you want to edit, click edit the options. If you want to delete options also. Next, you will create the student details. Click student. Enter the student details like name, email, password, roll number, admission date, parent. Choose your parent. Enter all the details. Choose a parent. Assign the parent. Parent 1, parent 2, parent 3. Whatever parents assign, click the parent and assign it. Choose the parent options. If you want to choose an option, if you assign to the parent, first of all create the parent and next you will assign to the parent for the student. Enter all the details and save it. The student details successfully created. If you want to edit option. If you want to full details view, click view full details. If you want to delete options also edit. Next, you will create the exam list. Click create. Enter the exam list like name, start date, end date. And save it. The exam is successfully created. Next, click the scheduled. The exam scheduled. Create the exam scheduled. Exam. Select the exam name, exam list, class, sections, room. Enter all the details. Timing, start time, end time. Enter all the details. And save it. The exam schedule successfully created. If you view the whatever creates, if you view the scheduled, choose the exam list and get exam, click get exam. If you view the all the details, if you want to edit, click edit options. If you want to delete options are there. Next, admin will manage the teacher attendance. Update the teacher attendance for present or absent, anything. Save all. The teacher attendance successfully updated. Now log out the admin module. Now log out the admin module. Let's move the teacher login. Enter the email ID and password. Teacher will update the modules like attendance, students attendance, and academics, subject wise, anything, exam managing. First click the student attendance. To update the student attendance, choose your date and choose a class wise, choose sections, get student list. If you present or present, absent or absent, update the status and save all. The student attendance successfully updated. Next, move the academics. Create the routine, class routine. Teacher will create the class routine, class name, section, subject, classroom. Enter the routine details like teacher, assign the teacher, subject, assign subject, classroom, hour, start time, end time. Enter the all the details. Save. The class routine successfully created. View the class routine apna. If you want to create whatever creates, if you view the routine details apna, yes, choose your class sections, get routine to view the all the details routine. If you want to update, click update. If you want to delete, click delete, options are there. If you choose class sections, get routine, click all the view to view the all the routine details. Next, create the syllabus list for exam. Create the syllabus list like exam term, class, subject, attachment, syllabus, attachment files, and save it. Enter the all the details. The syllabus successfully created. If you view the whatever creates, if you view syllabus list, choose a class, get exam. To view the exam list, syllabus list like exam term, note, anything. Next, create the homework. Enter the homework details like title, teacher, section, subject, start time, end time. Enter the all the details. Click save. The successfully homework are created. Whatever grades you will view the homework up. Yes, choose a class and sections. Get homework to view the all the homework details. If you want to edit, click edit. If you want to delete, click delete all the options. Next, we will create the mark details. Exam mark. Create the exam mark. Choose exam type. Choose class. Choose sections. Choose subject. Click load data. To view the student name, roll number, class, and mark. Enter the mark details. Click save mark. The successfully mark are saved. Assign to the all the subject. Enter into the mark. Next view the result rule. Next, managing the result rule. If you want to edit manage rule, click edit. If you want to delete the manage rule, if you want to delete the options are there. Next, click the exam result. To view the all the students exam result details. To view the exam result, choose exam type, class, and sections. Get exam result, all the students' details, exam result details to view the details. Now log out the teacher modules. Let's move the students login. Enter the email ID and password. Students will view the modules like academic, will they view the homework, view the exam result, view the event, view the teacher list. First click the attendance. To view the attendance report, you will search by month wise or year wise. Next click the class routine. To view the class routine details. To view the date and time, to view date also. Next click the syllabus. To view the syllabus details. What the exam, what the syllabus are there. Click show details. If you want to download, click download options are there. Next click the homework. If you choose month, day wise, date wise, click the date, choose a date, get homework. To view the homework details, teacher name, subject, date, end time also. Next, click the subject to view the subject details. Next, click the exam routine to search the exam type and click the get exam routine to view the exam routine details. Next, click the exam result. Choose exam type, get exam result. Click to view the exam result details. CGP and passed or failed anything. Next, click the event to view the event calendar details. Next, click the teacher list to view the all the teacher list. If you want to view full details, click view details and see it. Now log out the student login. Let's move the parent login. Parent login modules. Let's move the parent modules. Enter the email ID and password. Parent view the academics, exams, event, teacher list. Parents click the attendance to view the students' attendance details. If you search by month wise or year, anything. Next, click the class routine. Next, click the syllabus to view the syllabus details. Next, click the homework to view the homework details. Next, click the subject to view the subject details. Next, now log out the parent page. Now, let's move the accountant. Click enter the email ID and password. Accountant will manage the fees type, expense list. First, click the fees type. Create the new fees type. Fees type details like name, image. If you want to edit, successfully created the fees type. Next, click the fees. Search fees type, class, sections. The status are unpaid or paid. Get exam. No one are unpaid. So first create the fees allocations. Accountant manage the fees allocations. Enter the fees allocations details like fees type, class, sections, amount, due date, status or paid or unpaid, and save. Successfully fees allocations created. Next, create the expense type. Next, click the expense type. Enter the expense type details like name, images, and save. Expense list also. Expense type, whatever expense type created, you will choose the expense list, amount, and descriptions. Save. Next, log out the account module. Now log out the account module. Let's move the parent login. Enter email ID and password. Click the fees details. To view the fees details or status or unpaid or paid anything. Unpaid, you will pay the fees details. If you want to pay, click pay now. Click pay now. If you want to enter the phone number, countries, if you want to change the countries, can change the country. If you want to enter the phone number, click the pay using card. If you want to OTP phone, pay to the phone numbers. If you want to card details, click the card details. Enter the account number, expiry, CVV. Pay. The payment successful. Your payment has been successful completely. The status are paid. The payment are successfully credited. What time you were paid? The date also are there. Anything. Next you click the exam routine. To view the exam routines details. Next click the exam result. Choose exam type, get exam result. To view the exam result details. Next click event. To view the event calendars. Whatever functions are there, anything. To view teacher list. Now log out the parent models. Let's move the accountant login models login. Enter the email ID and password. Click the fees type. Click fees. Choose the fees type. Select class. Select sections. If your status are unpaid, what are the paid unpaid students are there? What are the paid students are there? The click paid. The get fees. The students are paid. Now log out the accountant login. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.